You guys, in this video I'm show you how I can change from normal builds to mobile builds. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and drop a like on this video if it helps you out. And the first step you gotta do is go into settings, and then go scroll all the way down, and when you see rendering mode, just change it to performance mode. And guys, when you change the performance mode, just restart your game and come back here again and change your meshes to low and apply. And guys, I'm gonna show you proof that I got the mobile builds. So I'm gonna load it into creative and show you guys. So guys, we're in creative. As you can see that I got mobile builds, and that's it guys. If you want more tutorial videos, just let me know in the comment section, and make sure you drop a like.
Listen close, what is this? Is it heartbreak? Is it truly what it feels like? What it sound like? What it's truly at? It's sharp teeth in the chest, cancer all in the breast, and the beat and the bruise. Feeling like a pawn to the greed of these fools, but I never been a piece of the evil in the womb of these fake. This is what they mask, I presume. I'll be telling if I got a Lord, I swear I resume. On my conquest, for the key to the chest where my mind slept, and the love in my heart is a cancer, and I spread it through the world as an answer to the cries of the dead and the vanquished.